Well, this is my most favourite segment of the day, Floral Gossip, and we've got the floral contestant here, which is the Protea nervifolia that I've got here in the vase. Now, the floral gossip about this gorgeous beauty is that, yes, just like little children are scared of the dark, so is my good friend Protea. So if you are going to be turning your lights off during the night after the beautiful Protea enjoying the sunlight all day, this is the reason why their leaves also go black over time, because they need constant sunlight. So whether it's artificial light or whether it's natural light, that is something that you need to always be aware of when you're enjoying your Protea. The other thing that Proteas don't like is tap water. So if you had an accident with some water in a vase that tipped over on your table and it was laying in the puddle of water, that's going to then infect the leaves and they're going to go black over time. So remember, no tap water when it comes to Proteas, and definitely no flower food water, which sometimes comes in a sachet like that, and I'm very sure that you'll find that very familiar. So no flower food in the vase and no tap water, and always remember to keep the lights on for our little friend here, Protea nervifolia.